Hello guys, today is the 2nd of August 2025. I'm excited for this package here. It's been here for a month in Ipoh, so I was in KL covering events and I had to come back to Ipoh unexpectedly, and I don't have a tripod, so it's going to be awkward. I'm not sure where to put this thing. Tripod I don't have. Shit. I'm gonna put this. Okay, I put the phone on elevated ice cream box, so I'm going to take some pictures. So yeah, open up the. This is a IEM, okay, that has been hyped up by Paul, Wasabi and Across. So it's an old IEM, it's 1 year ago, but I was in Penang in the tent and I tend to buy stuff, and during that time was the summer sale, if I'm not mistaken. I ordered this maybe in July. So it's black in color. Oh yes, this is the CCA company, not KZ. KZ and CCA is same but seems to be CCA is a better version of KZ, even though CCA is owned by KZ. My first black box here. I'm excited. Okay, Rhapsody is just rhapsodizing. Oh, it's live. So nothing much, just Rhapsody, no mic, and what's this? CCA Rhapsody, gross weight 81 grams plus or minus 5 grams, plug type 3.5, not 4, frequency 20 to 40,000 hertz, impedance 15 whatever, and Chinese CE. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. I know, I want you. Okay, how to open this? I think it's from here. So I came back to Ipoh quickly and I don't have my tripod. It's just a family emergency, that's all. And left my IEMs, Moondrop Chew, what else did I leave behind? The C1 from Tin Hi-Fi. That one was my daily driver because it's got nice boost, bass boost, and of course it's not as good the treble, and not as good the bass compared to the caster bass version from KZ. That one is also my daily driver for movies and music when I want to have fun. But when it comes to podcasts and whatnot, C1 Tin Hi-Fi, that's pretty good. So all my IEMs is in KL, and I think I'll be in Ipoh for 3 weeks. So this is going to be my daily driver. I don't want to use headphones because Malaysia is hot now. Summer, August is hot, so I want to rely on an IEM, and this is the one. Bought at 130 ringgit from AliExpress. Now the price is about 150, so I bought this at 130. Took about maybe 2 weeks to arrive. Takes a long time. Wow, looks nice. It's better than the CCA CRA. The CCA CRA I bought maybe 2-3 years ago, and it's dog shit now. It's like no fun, no bass at all. Okay, so you compare the C1 and the caster bass enhanced, the CCA CRA sounds like supremely neutral. So there's left, there's right. If you can see, it's too shiny, so I think I get rid of this plastic here, which is what the hell? And there's a cardboard here that says, bringing an extraordinary audio experience beyond imagination for everyone is our goal of unremitting effort. Interesting choice of words. I'm doing this unboxing at night, so can't see shit. This plastic is, ooh, it's kind of heavy. No fancy photography, unfortunately. Sorry to do it while I'm here. Okie dokie, and what's this? There's a package here, and of course, just tuning switches. I had to go and ask Reddit and see what are the best fun tuning switches configuration. The caster, I have it on up, down, up. This one, I think tonight I'll try it at neutral, and we'll go from there. So what's inside here? Oh, very cool. And that's it, nothing much else. Tuning switches. This one, I just don't like it when they have all this plastic and you can't open it without tearing it. I don't like it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. You tear it apart, unless you have alcohol. I have alcohol, very strong, 99% alcohol. Okay, I prefer to use the biggest one to have a very good seal, so that base won't leak out and you'll be still basey. This one, I think it will be similar to see, the plastic comes out, similar to KZ's boring L connector. You see my CCA CRAs? Oh my god, there's moss inside it. Yep, it's a typical KZ generic no chin slider thingy. Oh nope, no chin slider thingy. It's just generic. Sometimes we get those beads, anal beady type of wiring. It's quite exciting actually. And that's the unboxing. There's nothing much to see. There are no very nice ear tips, the foamy memory thingy, none at all. I don't see it anywhere. So yeah, this is the goat. Ooh. This will be my first my first BAs, balance amateur. Ooh, looks pretty, looks like jewelry. Very nice. Nice. Oh, look at it, so beautiful. Take it out, right? How? Look at the right, and oh my god. Wait, it come out on, huh? Hell, come out on. Yo, it came out all on. So strange. I thought it's supposed to be off. Why is it all on? Interesting. So you can see one dynamic driver. The size wise, I don't. Okay, I had to look at the rough thingy. What is it made of? The dynamic drivers? Is it 8? dynamic drivers are, I think both of them 8mm. Yep, both of them are 8mm, and there are like four balance armatures. Yeah, 4 balance armatures, the 31736 kind. 4 balance armatures and 2 8mm dynamic drivers. Balance armatures for the mids and highs, or we call treble. The dynamic drivers for the bass and sub bass, I guess. I'm not sure. You know, sub bass is actually at the end of the graph. Okay, sub bass is at the end of the graph. Then there's a mid bass and there's a bass. So it's very cool. I love it when you get to see what's inside. There's a vent here. I'm not sure whether it works or not, but it's all on. It's weird. Why? So I'll do the review maybe in a month's time, because I don't have any IEMs to compare this with. I don't have my C1 Tin High 5. I don't have the caster bass version. I don't have the chill one. I don't have the CCA CRA. I don't have the KZEDX. So I don't have anything to compare it with. So that's the review. So take some nice pictures. Fortunately there's no light. Maybe tomorrow continue on picturing, because it looks just dandy. Oh, looks very nice indeed. So I better set it up. Normally this wait, the size wise, oh, the I don't know, you call that mesh vent. Mesh vent is, it's not metal, it's just that meshy. I don't like that at all. At all. So change it for a bigger one. Yeah, change it for a bigger one. Let's see how easy it is to put it in. It's all resin. Oop. So far I got 5 IEMs and I haven't touched a single memory foam. It's so hard to put inside. Okay, nice. Don't want the middles, I want the bigs for a very tight fit. You know, today I bought some cherry shrimp to start my cherry shrimping. Carodinas, I think they call. Neo Carodinas. Shrimps are quite interesting to look at. Come on. I don't like to wear headphones because nowadays it's so hot in Malaysia. Even in the afternoon or morning, hot. Stuffy if I use. So this one is left. How to see? Never color coded. That's the problem. Old people cannot see RKL. Left is 2. Oh shit. Does this come with an indicator? No, it does not come with an indicator at all. What the hell? Okay, how did it go? Okay, this should be right. And this should be left. I'm just looking at the imprint, because this one does not show anything at all. So I think this is how it goes. It should be. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks, well, yeah, it looks okay. Weird, huh? How come they don't have an indicator? It's so easy to put inside. So these are the Rhapsodies. We would love to take some nice photography, stuffy stuff. Focus. Not on my hand. can see the vents. Wow, 1 2 3 1 2. Wow, so many like weird stuff, the little tubings, very interesting. Okay, lovely. Bye bye. There's an unboxing with a tripod, makeshift tripod. Lovely. Bye bye. And I have this very long thing, supposed to be half the size, so I can put in my bag. It's a pole with a net at a net, so I can like catch fish from the safety of the shore to not get wet. It doesn't cost much, maybe about 30 ringgit. It's from I think it's from Lazada, from Shopee, not AliExpress. Oh well, never mind. F it. I have to like, I don't know how to. If I go on my motorcycle, how am I gonna go to anywhere like a forest, river, fish? Wanna catch? Bye bye.